Good day, guys. In this video, I'm showing you how to buy gift cards on Sweatcoin. So, guys, firstly, of course, you'll need to have some kind of currency. So currency is the one that you gain by just using the app, by maintaining activity, by walking pretty much. You get those points, and then when you have them, you can spend them. And to spend them, you go into the third tab, which is rewards. Just click on here, and as you can see, we can buy a certain gift card depending on how much money you want to be in that gift card, from $5 to $15 in our case. And as you can see, they vary in price anywhere from 1,500 to 4,000. So when you're ready to purchase and you do have the currency to spend on the gift card, you just click on it, and in here you just, as you can see, buy it, and you'll be able to spend this gift card any way you wish. For example, we have an ability to use it on Amazon, Spotify, Google Play, and more. Then you'll be given the gift card, and you can go ahead and spend it any way you wish. So this is pretty easy, as you can see. Hopefully this assists you. If it did, we greatly appreciate your support in the form of likes and subscriptions. We truly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.